really late start, continuing my normal tradition of starting late, though. It's probably not overly unexpected. Today we are going to be updating my Kubeflow PR. It's a work in progress PR to get Spark integrated into Kubeflow. And I was going to do this from a beach, but as you can tell, that backdrop is notably not a beach. And that's okay. I was at the beach earlier this morning, and now I'm visiting one of our offices. So there's slightly better Wi-Fi at the office, given that the beach seemed to disconnect me every time I tried to make a Hangouts call. I thought it might be more effective to go here. So I'm just going to bring up the comment stream on Twitch and YouTube just to make sure also that it's actually working. Let's see if it's actually streaming. Okay, looks like it's streaming on both. Okay, and it looks like there's not a lot of people. 7:30 a.m. Pacific may be a bit early for folks, and that's completely fine. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna work on this. So this is the PR. It's you can see it says not ready for merge or full review, but there's still been some useful feedback. As part of this PR, one of the things which came up was some JSON net formatting, and trying to run the JSON net formatting tool, I ran into some issues, and I factored that out into a separate PR. And that one is sort of kind of like a dependent PR, or a PR that the other PR depends on. So we're going to update this one really quickly. And so in that PR, what happened is we changed it. We can go look at the files changed and the comments. And we changed this to not just require the Git at GitHub, but also to accept the HTTPS GitHub for people who added the remote slightly differently, and to also print out the information and change it. And so this is pretty simple. However, somehow the all.jsonnet requires refactoring. So we're going to go in and, sorry, not refactoring, reformatting. So we're going to go in and we're going to pull this out, rebase it on top of master, and do that refactor. So we're going to go Kubeflow. Sorry, I'm just too used to working on Apache projects. Git pull, origin master, git checkout dash, git rebase master, git rebase master, git, wait, oh, okay, yeah, sorry, git pull GitHub master. That's what I called my remote. There we go. Rebase this on top of master. Okay. And we're gonna push force with least to make sure I'm not overwriting any of my changes. Cool. Looks good. Okay. So the script was autoformat JSON net, so we're gonna go ahead and run that. Okay. Oh. That's weird. Didn't actually need it anymore. Okay. That's strange. So, whatever. It probably just was fixed in the meantime. Okay. Updated on top of master. The autoformat script only autoformats files which have changed. So the autoformat script wouldn't catch this, so we'll have to manually do the autoformat. That's kind of weird. Okay. So let's expand that and figure out how the autoformatter actually works. Okay. Okay. So we'll just run this part manually. All.json. Okay. And so then we'll just go ahead. We'll run this. Okay. Ran JSON net on format on all, and it looks okay. It looks like it doesn't need any changes now. Maybe master just was updated / retest. Okay, cool. So maybe that's fine, and we can go into our other PR. And this is the main one that I was planning on working on today. And so that's called Spark Job. So just update our PR to be on top of the latest master. And then okay, so we need to give the parts.yaml a different name. So let's go take a look at that. This is called Kubeflow. Okay. Kubeflow Spark. Wait, what? Oh no, Kubeflow Spark. There we go. Sure. So for now, we'll just give it the name suggested by the reviewer. Cool. So then the other one is inside of all.libsonnet 231.3. Okay, so do we have a version? That's the okay. Okay. So I guess we should give this a parameter. Let's see if we did. Prototypes. Spark operator? I don't know. Okay, no. Spark job. Okay, yeah. Spark version. Yeah, okay, so then we'll just give this the Spark version here. Spark version. Spark version. Okay. Spark version. Cool. That looks good. Except it's going to be params dot. I think it's going to be, yeah. Okay, Spark version. Okay, yeah. Well, actually, I mean, no. Let's go ahead and do it as a local up here, since we've already got local Spark version, and then programs.spark version. We use it in a whole bunch of different places. Okay. Cool. That looks good. So that gives us the parameter. Namespace should be default on line 82. Okay. We actually do have a namespace. Yeah. So this one should be namespace. And I think we also actually had that. Yeah, we have this local namespace. So we're just do that there. And that's it for the reviewer feedback. It's relatively simple. But since I changed some stuff, we should run the formatter script. Oh, cool. I screwed up. Line 31. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Okay, so git commit-am, reviewer feedback, switch description of Spark operator to something meaningful. Use Spark version param instead of hard-coded v231 v1 alpha 1, and we did another. That's it. Oh yeah, and fix hard-coded namespace. So let's actually, while we're here, look at things that are hard-coded. And those are going to be strings. Yeah. These look like things that we wouldn't expect to be configurable, right? I'm just checking to make sure that there's not another sort of hard-coded string in here, which we would probably expect to be configurable by a parameter. And let's just, yeah, that looks fine, I guess. Cluster, yeah, metadata, yep. Image pull policy. I mean, honestly, this should probably be configurable. I'm pretty sure this is configurable in the other ones. Let's go take a look at that. Oh, let's do this first. Image pull policy. Yeah, this is actually, it's hard-coded in a bunch of them. So, okay, yes, I mean, to be fair, I'm glad that this is not MySpace. My HTML was never very good. 0x couch, yeah. We'll leave this as is for now. We could probably make it configurable later, but it looks like a bunch of the operators also have it hard-coded, and I'm okay with that. This test volume. Oh. I left. That's not great. There's a comment that says fix this, which is never a good sign. Git log-p, fix this. Okay. So I added it in this commit. What did this commit do? A whole bunch of shit. Oh, that's the autoformat. No. Start trying to reorganize it. Why? Okay. So we can now launch, that should probably say an operator, and launch a job, but the service accounts don't quite line up. To do Holden, refactor the service account for the job to only be created in the job and move the Sparks job inside of all.json as well. Oh. Yeah, okay, it looks like we actually did move this inside of all.json. So I think that's fine then. I think we can take this out. I think the fix me is no longer relevant. Let's take a look at what the service account is. So it's the name for the component. Let's look at, so Spark job name is the name of the component, and job name, name for the job. Okay, well, that's okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Git commit-am. Clarify job name param. Remove. Fix this since it has been integrated into all.libsonnet as intended. Okay, cool. That's good. I'm just, oh yeah, sorry, to do, okay, no, fix, -r, to do, Kubeflow, Spark. Okay, oh yeah, no, ri, fix. Okay, cool, we're good. I don't have any more notes inside of this that, like, tell me I was forgetting to do a piece of work. Yeah, so the known to-dos are tests that run on more than just my specific directory layout, documentation, and cleanup. But we address the reviewer comments here. Oh, and let's run this again to make sure that I actually did fix that part. And then we can go. Okay, git diff. Okay, cool. The actual yeah, the actual part of this is the tests. I think now that we've fixed the initial review comments, and I'm pretty hungry. So I think we're going to save testing for another time. But we got both these PRs updated, and that's good, because, I mean, the faster we can turn things around, the better. And yeah, hopefully this one will go in first, and that'll be great. And then I'm gonna, once this goes in, there's a few commits inside of this that I'm gonna have to pull out inside of my rebase, but that's gonna be just fine, and it's good. So with that, I'm gonna wrap up for today. If you want to join me on Friday, I will be doing a live code review at, this says 8 p.m. Well, 8 p.m. is really time, 10 a.m. Pacific, I believe, and 1 a.m. Tel Aviv time, 2 Pacific time. The other one, okay, and 3 p.m. Pacific time, I'll be working on the Spark Graceful Decommissioning PR. Next week, if you're in San Francisco, I will have a thing, Spark, Eventbrite, Holden, I think, Spark Happy Hour with special guest Holden. That's me. Oh, it's not found. That's kind of weird. You can probably find it. I don't know. The other one is Twilio, the Twilio Signal Conference. I will be speaking there on Wednesday, I think. October 17th. I think that's a Wednesday. Yes, on Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. About end-to-end ML with Kubeflow, and I'm really excited for that talk as well. So thanks for joining me all. I hope to see you Friday morning, and have a lovely rest of your week.